So I got another board in the ceiling so I can mount the beam, and I had to cut these openings here because I wanted to get a more direct angle is where the screw is. Even though I could kind of toenail it, I want to get a more direct angle, so I cut this up. I'm going to patch these guys up, and in fact I'm not going to, may not match this. This is not going to be visible. There's going to be cabinetry here, probably a gap here, but you'll never see this. And then when I mount my beam, let's go take a closer look at that. What I'm going to do here. So here you can see there's two boards there. The lighter colored one is the one that I added. This is the rafter for the roof and ceiling when the addition was added. I'm going to go right between those guys. And I'm going to always pre-drill. I'm going to use a larger drill bit. Because all you need to do is secure lateral movement. So I'm going to drill right in the center of that. I'm going to use a larger drill bit to pre-drill that I have previously. Get that beam in there, and then we can start on this wall.